Hey there, geeks. Tim with MajorGeeks.com. Today we're going to show you how to reset Windows Search, at least one possible way, and that is using a Powershell script that is available from Microsoft. Look for the I in the video or check the video description to get this link. And you're going to want to click right here to download the Powershell script. And once you do, you will get this file right here, which you can see in my downloads here. And we're going to go to where you downloaded the file. We're going to right click and click Run with Powershell. We're going to click Open, and you probably will get an error. As you can see, it asks you to change the security policy. Just say yes, see what happens. Do it again. R for run once. And you can see it's doing its thing. Now, you may not get the same messages. I'm going to show you how to get around that. We press any key to continue when we're done, or close the box. If you cannot get it to run because you get this error, cannot be loaded because running scripts is disabled on this system, look for this code here in bold. And again, when you're done, down here in bold. As you can see, we're going to set the execution policy to unrestricted, but we want to change that back. No harm. Highlight it. Copy. Control V. Enter. We're going to press Y. Enter. Now, go ahead and run the script as we showed you by right-clicking. And when you're done, grab this code right here. Highlight it, right-click, copy. Come back to PowerShell, Control V. Enter. Y for yes. And that's it. So that you can free up the ability to run those scripts temporarily. Just make sure you set it back to restricted when you're done. Now, at the bottom of this tutorial, there are some other ways how to delete and rebuild the search index depending on your problems. Another thing you might consider would be Start, Settings, Update and Security. And we're going to go over to Troubleshoot. And if your Windows 10 is up to date, you're going to have to do additional troubleshooters. And scroll on down and find Search and Indexing and click Run the Troubleshooter. Tell it what your problem is. Click Next. And try any repairs as administrator. It's almost always going to happen. And you got to repeat it again. It's kind of a pain. I don't know why they don't just do this right out of the gate. So give it a second. And fixed. Pretty easy to do. The troubleshooters are just follow through. Piece of cake. And there you have it. There's a couple of ways you can, well, there's one way you can reset Windows Search, and another possible thing to look at if that doesn't fix your problem. In the bottom right corner over here, you can find the Major Geeks logo. You click that, you can subscribe, which we'd appreciate. Otherwise, if we helped you out, just give us a quick like. And thanks for watching, as always. See ya.